Yo, spreadsheet warriors, this one's for you. DASUNG paper like 13,000 color 37 Hz crushes Excel tasks like a pro. Watch as we highlight table cells. Colors are so pure, no muddled tints. Thanks to the new X Color Filter 3.0 algorithm, colored data pops perfectly to help you sort info faster. And at 37 Hz ultra high refresh, scrolling, editing, or navigating tables is buttery smooth, no lag, no eye strain. If you spend hours on Excel or Google Sheets, this e-ink gem is a game changer. Drop a yes if you need this for your workflow.